In this video, we will solve some example problems. See, first we will see some conversion, radian to degree, degree to radian conversion. You see, we will solve some questions. You see, 30 degrees is there. 30 degrees. 30 degrees is converted to radians. 30 degrees is converted to radians. What we are getting is saying 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi radians. That is 180 degrees is equals to pi radians. Then 1 degree is equals to what? 1 degree is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees is equals to pi radians. Pi radians. Then 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. And pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. Then 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degrees. 180 by pi degrees. This is the conversion. Just remember that 30 degrees is equals to 1 degree is equals to 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radians. Pi by 180 radians. Now 30 degrees is equals to what? 30 degrees is equals to 30 into pi by 180 radians. 30 degrees is equals to 30 into 1 degree. So 1 degree is equals to what? Pi by 180 radians. So this is equal to 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 6 are. This is equals to pi by 6 radians, which is equals to 30 degrees is equals to, like this we are converting. Okay, so first one what we did here, 30 degrees we are converted to radians. Now second question is saying 3 pi by 2 radians we convert into degrees. We convert into degrees. See, solution very simple. 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degrees. 180 by pi degrees. Now 3 pi by 2 radians. 3 pi by 2 radians is equals to, otherwise 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is equals to 3 pi by 2 into 180 by pi degrees. This is completely in degrees. Now pi get cancelled. 2 ones are 290 times. So 3 into 90, 270 degrees. 3 pi by 2 is equals to 270 degrees. Simple questions we solved. Okay, this is the method to converting radian to measure, radian to degrees, degrees to radians. Okay, now we will solve some example problems. First question, example number 1. Example 1. Convert 40 degrees 20 minutes into radian measure. Radian measure. Okay, this is the question. Solution very simple. You see, first what is the given angle? 40 degrees 20 minutes. Completely convert into degrees. So this is equals to 40 degrees plus 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 1 minute is equals to how many degrees? 1 by 60 degrees. Okay, 60 minutes is equals to 1 degree. 60 minutes is equals to 1 degree. 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degrees. Okay. Now 20 minutes is equals to 20 by 60 degrees. That is equals to 40 plus 23 times. So 1 by 3 degrees. So this is equals to 3 is LCM. 40 into 3 120 plus 1 degrees. This is equals to 121 by 3 degrees. Okay, which is 40 degrees 20 minutes is equals to. Now 121 by 3 degrees is equals to how many radians you see? 121 degree, 121 by 3 degrees into 121 by 3 into pi by 180. Pi by 180. Now we cancel now. So this is equals to, this is we can't, it is not cancel. 121 pi by 18 is a 54, 540 radians. This is in radians. Now 121 by 3 nothing but this is 40 minutes, 40 degrees 20 minutes. 40 degrees 20 minutes is equals to 121 by 540 pi radians. This is the conversion. Okay. Next question number 2. Question number here 1 degree is equals to 1 by 60. 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degrees. So we will get some space here. Example number 2. Example 2. Convert 6 radians into degree measure. Very simple question. See, solution 6 radians we need to convert into degrees. So 1 radian is equals to what? 180 by pi degrees. 180 by pi degrees. Now 6 radians is equals to 6 into 180 by pi. So that is equals to 6 into 180 by pi is equals to what? 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. This is equals to 6 into 180 into this third position multiplying 7 first position into 7 by 20. Okay. This one you cancel in 2 table 2 3 times 2 11 times. Okay. This is equals to 3 into 7 21 into 180 is equals to 0 21 into 18 ones are 18 182 are 36 plus 1 37. Okay, so 3780 by 11 degrees. Okay, so this is the degrees. Now you cancel in 11 table. So 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. Next plus 4. So 48. 11 4s are 44. 11 4s are 44. Remaining 4. So 40. 11 3s are 33. Plus 7 by 11 degrees. 7 by 11 degrees. Next, this is equals to 343 degrees plus 7 by 11 into, if you multiply with 60, it is converted into minutes. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 7 by 11 degrees is equals to 7 by 11 into 60 degrees. Since you write 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. See now. So this is 343 degrees plus 7 into 60. 420 by 11 minutes. This is minutes. So this is equals to 343 degrees plus cancel 11 table. 11 threes are 33. 11 threes are 33. Okay, 11 threes are 33. So remaining 9 0. 98. 11 8s are 88. So remaining 10. So minutes plus 8 by 11 minutes. This is equals to 343 degrees 38 minutes plus 8 by 11 into here you multiply with 60, then it is converted to seconds. Converted to seconds. See this one remainder is here 2 only. So 2 by 11 is there. So this is equals to 343 degrees plus 38 minutes. 2 into 60 120. 120 by 11 seconds. So this is equals to 343 degrees plus 38 minutes. Again multiply with divide with 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Next remainder is remainder is here 10. So we are getting 0. So 10 point something are getting. So 10 point something is equals to approximately it is equals to 11 seconds. 11 11s are 121. So 1 is less. Approximately is equals to this is 120. 120 approximately is equals to 121. So approximately is equals to 11 seconds. Now 6 radians is equals to 6 radians. Therefore 6 radians is equals to 343 degrees 38 minutes 11 seconds is the answer. 11 seconds is the answer. Okay, and this is your answer. Again you see these two very simple and important answer. Degrees to radian, radians to degree. Again you see first one, convert 40 degrees 20 seconds into radian measure. 40 degrees 20 seconds is equals to 40 degrees. Just 1 degree is 1 minute is equals to 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degrees. Otherwise 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equals to what we written 60 minutes. So both sides divided by 60. So 1 by 60 degrees is equals to 1 minute. So I written 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degrees. So this 20 degrees is there. So 20 by 60 degrees. So 20 by 60 is equals to 1 by 3. 21s are 23 times. You take the LCM 3 40 into 3 120 plus 120 1 by 3. So this what we got now 40 degrees 20 minutes is equals to 121 by 3 121 by 3 degrees. Now 121 by 3 degrees we convert into radians now. So how we are converting? Just multiply with pi by 180. So 121 by 3 into pi by 180. It is in radians now. Now this is equals to 1, it is not cancelling. So directly write as it is 121 pi 3 into 180 is 540 radians. That is our answer. Next here you see here some simplifications is there. Here we have some simplifications. Convert 60 radians into degree measure. 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degrees. So 6 radians is equals to 6 into 180 by pi degrees. So 6 into 180 by pi is equals to what? 22 by 7. So this 7 is multiplied in first position. So 6 into 180 into 7 by 22. These two you cancel in the 2 table. 2 2s are 2 11 times. So what is the remaining now? 3 into 180 into 7, that is 3780 by 11 as it is. You divide this one. So how 3780 divided with 11. So like this you do. Then you are getting the remainder is here 7. Remainder we are getting here 7. So that is equals to what we are writing? 343. Quotient we are getting 343. So 343 degrees plus 11 by 7 by 11 degrees. Again this degree you convert into minutes. 7 by 11 it is a lesser than of 1 no. 7 by 11 no, it is a less than of 1. So less than of 1 degree means some seconds, some minutes. So you convert into minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 7 by 11 degrees is equal to what? 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. Okay. So 343 plus 7 into 60 is 420 by 11 degrees. So 343 degrees as it is, you divide again. 420 by 11. 11 3s are 33. Next remaining 33 plus remaining 9. So here 90. 11 8s are 88 plus remaining is remainder is 2. So 2 by 11. 38 plus 2 by 11 is 420 by 11. So 343 degrees as it is 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 again minutes. 2 by 11 also again it's less than of 1. So 2 by 11 also less than of 1. So you multiply with 60. If you multiply with 60, this one you convert into minutes, seconds. Minutes are converting into seconds. How? 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now 2 by 11 minutes is equals to 2 by 11 into 60 minutes, seconds. So 2 into 60 is 120 by 11 seconds. So for 343 degrees plus 38 minutes, this one we are getting 10.9 something we are getting. 10.9 means approximately is equals to 11 seconds. So 6 radians is equals to 343 degrees, 38 minutes, 11 seconds is the answer. Okay, clear? And this is the solution. Next, in exercise 3.1, first question, find the radian measures corresponding the following degree measures. So, degree measures they given, those are we need to convert into radian measure. Just you try these, except the second question you try again. So, first one 25 degrees, you try this one. Second one is minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. Next to third one 240 degrees, very easy one. Fourth one now 520 degrees. So this one you see this one I am giving some hints for the second question. Second question, this is minus of 47 degrees plus 30 minutes is equals to 30 by 60. If if we divide with 60, it is converting into degrees. 60 minutes is equals to 1 degree. Next, 60 by 2, that is 30 degrees is equals to half degree. 60 minutes is equals to 1 degree. Then 30 minutes is equals to half degree. So that one only. So half degree. So 30 ones are 32 times. This is equals to minus half 47 plus 1 by 2 degrees. So this is equals to minus half 47 into 94 plus 195. So minus 95 by 2 degrees. For conversion of radians, what we are writing here? Pi by 180. To simplify this one, you are getting this answer. This is the second one only I given something. So remaining you solve like that. Okay. Next, you solve and check your answer. Back side the given answer also. Okay. Next, maybe all the people have textbook. Next question number 2. Question number 2, find the degree measure corresponding to following radian measures. Use pi is equals to 22 by 7. First one 11 by 16, second one minus 4, third one 5 pi by 3, fourth one 7 pi by 6. So these two are very easy. Just you multiply 180 by pi, it is converting into degrees. So here pi by get cancel 60 3 times. So 6 30 times. So 2 10 degrees. This one easy. This one so pi by get cancel 60 times. So 5 into 60 300 degrees. So these are very easy. These only. This is pi 180 by pi. Pi you write as 22 by 7. Then you convert like this. So these are like this one. Next, this is 180 by pi. Again, pi is write as 22 by 7. You don't take 3.14. 22 by 7. After that, you simplify. Just you follow this method. You are getting same answer. Here minus 4 is there. Here 6 is there. You are getting some minus half. The radians in negative reality. So you try these questions, first and second questions. Okay.